Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. In this video, we talk about who is Ibrahim Raisi, how his helicopter crashed, who is next president of Iran. I hope you will like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Ibrahim Raisul Sadati, commonly known as Ibrahim Raisi, was an Iranian politician who served as the 8th president of Iran from 2021 until his death in 2024. Raisi began his clerical studies at age 15. He was a Muslim jurist and part of the Principalist group. Raisi served in several positions in Iran's judicial system, including as prosecutor of Karaj, prosecutor of Hamdan, and deputy prosecutor and prosecutor of Tehran. He was deputy chief justice from 2004 to 2014, attorney general from 2014 to 2016, and chief justice from 2019 to 2021. He was custodian and chairman of Astan Quds Razavi Bunyad from 2016 until 2019. He was a member of Assembly of Experts from South Khorasan province, being elected for the first time in 2006 election. On 19 May 2024, Raisi Foreign Minister Hussein Amir Abdul Ayhan, Governor General of East Azerbaijan Malik Rahmati, representative of the Supreme Leader in East Azerbaijan Muhammad Ali Hashim, the head of the president's security team, and three flight crew. Raisi was the second president of Iran to have died in office following Muhammad Ali Rajai, who died in a 1981 bombing. The Ibrahim Raisi was en route in a convoy of three from the Gizglasi Dam to Tabriz. The helicopter involved was a Bell 212 with the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, registration number 69207 and construction number 35071, built in 1994. The helicopter was 30 years old at the time of accident. Due to international sanctions, Iranian aircraft face parts shortage and often fly without safety checks. A day before the crash, the Iran Meteorological Organization issued an orange weather warning, severe weather that may cause damage or accidents for the region. On 19 May, Raisi met President of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev at the Gizglasi hydroelectric complex. After the meeting, they departed for Tabriz by helicopter to inaugurate a project at an oil refinery. The helicopter was part of a convoy of three helicopters and was crewed by Iranian Air Force pilots. At around 13:30 IRST, the helicopter crashed approximately 2 kilometers southwest of the village of Uzi in the Dizmar Forest region, a wildlife corridor in Barzakhan country, East Azerbaijan province. The head of the president office, Ghulam Hussein Ismaili, was in one of the other helicopters. He stated that the helicopters took off at around 13 o'clock. The weather was normal at the start, and during most of the flight, 45 minutes into the flight, the pilot of Raisi's helicopter, which was in charge of the convoy, ordered other helicopters to increase altitude to avoid a nearby cloud. After 30 seconds of flying over the cloud, the pilot of Ismaili's helicopter noticed that Raisi's helicopter, which was flying between the two others, had disappeared. The pilot returned to search for Raisi's helicopter and made a few circles but was unable to contact it via radio and could not descend because of the cloud. So he landed at the nearby Sangan copper mine 30 seconds later. The pilots then called the phone of Captain Mustafavi, who was in charge of Raisi's helicopter, but Ali Hashim answered, who said the helicopter had crashed into a valley. Ismaili himself made a second call and spoke to Ali Hashim, who told him, I don't feel good. I don't know what happened. I don't know where I am. I am under trees. I don't know. I don't see anyone. I am alone. They took an ambulance with medical personnel and drove to the site, speaking several times to Ali Hashim, who was answering the calls for about 3 hours. Ali Hashim died before the rescuers could arrive. The other two helicopters arrived safely in Tabriz after their aircraft made unsuccessful searches for the third helicopter for 15 to 20 minutes after losing contact with it. News of the crash was released at 16 o'clock with Islamic Republic of Iran broadcasting. Heavy fog affected search and rescue operations in Barzakhan. Reports indicated that search and rescue teams were expected to reach the site of the crash by 6 o'clock. At 6:39, Iranian forces were near the site of the crash. 40 rescue teams from the Iranian Red Crescent Society, along with unmanned aerial vehicles, were sent to the area of the crash. A few hours later, after the crash scene, IRIB reported the helicopter had been found and that there was no sign of life at the crash scene, which was situated at an altitude of 2,200 meters. Except its tail, the helicopter burned completely. As the former first vice president and with the approval of the supreme leader of Iran, Muhammad Mukhbar assumed the powers and functions of the president as the temporary acting president of Iran upon the death of his predecessor in accordance with the constitution of Iran. Muhammad Mukhbar assumed the role of acting president of Iran and was confirmed in his position by supreme leader on 20 May until new presidential elections are held. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.